Do you want to work from home with consistent hours but dislike talking on the phone? If you don't have a quiet workspace and want to work in the customer service industry, online chat jobs are one option. Customer service chat jobs are becoming more popular as more customers turn to the internet for assistance. As a chat support agent, you now have the opportunity to assist others. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Chat jobs can be a great work-from-home opportunity for the following entrepreneurs: parents with small children, those without a private workspace, and those who dislike talking on the phone. People prefer the instant communication of chat to a phone call, so these online jobs are becoming more common. Because online chat jobs do not require a quiet, distraction-free work environment, the home office requirements are less stringent. Although you don't want a house full of rowdy children who are constant distractions, if you have children or a noisy house, online chat jobs are an option. Are you familiar with Apple products? You can help provide customer service and technical support as an Apple at-home advisor. This job will not be entirely based on online chat, but it is one of the better at-home customer service positions available. This job will not be entirely based on online chat, but it is one of the better at-home customer service positions available. You may be eligible for paid vacation and product discounts. If you're looking for a unique way to express yourself, this is the place to be. Have a distraction-free workspace, a work desk that can accommodate an Apple computer, and wear a headset. Our Ryze recruits online chat representatives for Fortune 500 companies in the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. You can start chatting with customers 5 days after submitting your application, and you can work on your own schedule. Despite the fact that online chat jobs are still a relatively new career field, our Ryze has 3 credentials. It has been in business since 1994, it has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau or BBB, and it is part of the White House Joining Forces initiative. Some online chat jobs appear to be too good to be true. But our Ryze is a reputable company with legitimate opportunities. Best Buy hires remote customer service agents on a regular basis. Although your primary responsibilities will be assisting customers with order completion and answering basic retail-related questions, you may also be able to provide product support. Consider Concentrix if you want a full-time job with benefits. You will provide technical support and customer service as a home agent. Because Concentrix works with so many businesses, you must be available during your assigned company's regular business hours. FlexJobs is a job board that thoroughly vets every posting in order to eliminate scams. They advertise a variety of flexible and remote jobs, including online chat jobs. To view the full job postings, you must pay a small subscription fee, but it may be worth the small investment if you can connect with large companies instead of wondering if you are wasting your time on a fake application. You can use FlexJobs to look for part-time or full-time work. Some jobs are entirely remote, while others may necessitate working from the company office at least 1 day per week. Fancy Hands, which specializes in 20-minute microtasks, is another place to try your hand. Because Fancy Hands is primarily a one-time gig, you should look into one of the other options for consistent work, but you may be able to chat or email on behalf of your client to solve their problem. Indeed, as one of the largest online job boards, it cannot be overlooked. To find available positions, enter keywords such as online chat jobs or online chat support into their search bar. Your search results will include local and national businesses in need of remote chat agents. Using job websites like Indeed also saves you time because you don't have to visit each company's website to search their open position page. Saving time means having more time to make more money or enjoying a regular work-life balance. Many large corporations in a variety of industries are represented by LivePerson. In addition to chat and phone support, you may be able to communicate via text messages or Facebook Messenger. If you are a content expert, LivePerson can offer opportunities that require more knowledge than standard customer service duties. Consider LiveWorld for social media and messaging support. You can work part-time while engaging in non-sales conversations. Instead, you could respond to comments on social media or answer questions via online chat or messaging applications. If you enjoy conversing while assisting others, LiveWorld may be more rewarding than other chat support opportunities. As a mod with ModSquad, you get to choose the projects that interest you. ModSquad allows you to work from any private location with a high-speed internet connection, making it more flexible than other chat support companies that may require you to visit their regional office on a regular basis. Each brand and project has unique requirements. But you can also moderate forums and interact with others on social media. You can represent your favorite brands as a needle advocate. You can earn products and rewards from the brands you represent in addition to generating business for your favorite brands. You are paid per chat because you chose the hours you wanted to work. All positions are chat only and work hours are flexible. The initial application process takes only 30 minutes to complete, and your profile information will be reviewed within 2 days. Paperless Pipeline hires online chat agents on occasion to assist their business customers in sending digital documents to other businesses. When a customer is unsure how to complete a task, you will guide them through the steps. You can also assist other prospective clients in answering their questions. Presto Experts is another multi-purpose freelance platform. You can provide customer service support to online clients from international companies. They have positions available in technology, counseling, tutoring, health, design, and business. Presto Experts works in the same way that Fiverr does, in that you can create a profile and showcase your skills in order for someone to hire you directly through the site. When a customer pays Presto Experts, you are paid a percentage. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.